Momentum Accounting has made the investment irreplaceable. They really have built a lot of trust into our day-to-day finances where I can step back from those and get my time back as a business owner.
We just knew they were the right choice, like instantly. They really do care. They take time to understand us. They're thorough, they're detail-oriented, they focus on what's best for us.
At Momentum, we help you make better decisions, and we give you financials that are simple and they make sense so that you're not confused all the time, wondering what the numbers mean. I started Momentum Accounting in 2017. Prior to that, I worked in public accounting at a traditional CPA firm. I was there for 6 years, got my CPA license. As a CPA, I didn't know anything about running a business. All I was taught was make sure that the bank reconciles and that you optimize the tax savings, which you definitely need that. You need an accountant that's going to help you save taxes.
Momentum has really helped us get a better picture of our finances, our levers of profitability, and that really improved things for me as far as operating day to day and brought the most financial clarity I've ever seen in my business.
Accounting's complex, and the way that your accountant's doing your books probably isn't very helpful. One thing that we're striving to do different is not just be accountants that are focused on compliance, but actually help you see the story of your business so that you're not frustrated, that they're actually useful.
Ned came to us as like a true startup, like they barely even had the product off the ground.
Before working with Momentum, I would do most of the bookkeeping and accounting stuff myself. And so it's one of those things that I really avoided and dragged my feet on. It's the third time doing a startup together. And so you'd hope that everything would be significantly better than you would see in first-time founders going through this experience. And so yeah, Momentum is one piece of that puzzle.
We keep things simple and accurate. We put together the financial statements, we send them out to them, and they're like, oh, these are great. And they grew so fast. Over 3 years, they went from like 500,000 in revenue to up to 4 or 5 million. Being able to give them those metrics of like, what's their ARR, or what's their monthly recurring revenue? Like, these things are so important to SaaS companies. And if you don't work with a strong accountant, you're gonna have no idea of what those are.
Our investors have definitely noticed that we've got a tight financial ship in place. They don't have to come chasing us for them, which it sounds like they have to do with a lot of their other portfolio companies. And so, yeah, they've been really instrumental in helping us figure that stuff out.
It's a team effort. We cannot deliver financials without working together as a team.
The team at Momentum Accounting were great at being able to help me really understand where the business is at any given point of time. It's just invaluable.
What's different about Momentum is we care a lot, and we're not gonna deliver financial statements that we don't feel 100% behind. We're not gonna do anything 50%. It's always gonna be 100% with us.
The level of detail, support, explanation, and work that they've put in to get us to where we're at right now was by far worth that money we spent in the payoff.
The first word that comes to mind when I think about the team at Momentum is warm. Like warm, caring, generous, with their time, with their knowledge, with their advice. Like, we're humans first, and that's something that they really bring to the work that they do, and why clients love working with us.
It's important to build relationships with clients because it's more than just accounting. It's their lives. Like, these are business owners, and they spend every waking moment thinking about their business and what they could do better.
Investing in Momentum Accounting was one of the better investments we've made. I have much more insight in my finances. I am not getting to the end of the week and wondering, oh, do I have enough money in the bank to pay my invoices? I know where we're going.